Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit the settings of your car, of your Audi A4 S401 using the multimedia interface. Let's have a seat and we are going to check now the car settings on our car or in our car with using our multimedia interface. This is located over here to make a setup. And it's, of course, you can see it in the front of you in the cockpit. To navigate in this system, ignition should be on. You can use this device here. This is a joystick. You can go up and down. You can agree or go to the settings by pushing it down. You can go left, right, up and down with that button too. Left button, right button available. And of course, you have here a back button that means go one step back. Or if you are nearly somewhere deep in the folders, you can go to menu, then you're back in business on the main screen. So now let's perform here a clear setup of our car, interior and additional parts of our car. So we navigate now to car settings. You switch to the drive assistant. You can see you can choose speed warning. You can now enter here how fast your car should be, and then you get a warning sign and a warning information, and so you can then be not so fast if you like that. We have parking aid. You can choose here the volume of the parking aid, medium or low as you hear. Of course, you can make this with the entertainment fader too. That means if you are going to reverse shift, then the volume of your radio will go down a little bit, medium, high, or low. Then everything assist. This gives you information. Maybe there is a full stop in front of you, 500 meters away or something else. It gives you information that you should do not accelerate anymore. This is an efficient stuff. You should enable this if you like. And Audi presets, really nice stuff here. We can prepare with the Audi preset system that maybe there is a car in front of us who stops immediately, that your car will get an information for you. There is an obstacle in the way to stop now. Or in case of emergency, the car can stop automatically by using the Audi preset system. We can switch that on and we can switch that off, of course, but you should not switch that off. So switch it on, please. The advanced warning interval is off, early, medium, or late. You should really perform early. That's the safe way, of course, to drive. Rest recommunication. That means if you are on the highway for a long period of time, you get an information that you should have stop, for example. And this you can enable or disable. And the rain sensor. The rain sensor is if you're in automatic mode with your wipers, your front shield wipers, and there is a rain stuff outside, a little bit water is coming onto your front, then it will automatically use the rain sensor to start evacuating water from the front. Really cool stuff, I think. But this is an overview of your car menu and what you can handle there to make a better and comfortable way on the road with your car. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Sun.